Good morning, 4th graders. Today is Thursday, October 8th. Here is what I have for you today. Writing, turn in your Google Doc and story map here. In fact, we're going to go to View Assignment. So we've been working on that narrative for a couple weeks. And what I want to do is I want to give you some feedback as you are working on it. So over here, you know how you can click Add to make a new Google Doc? Or I'm sorry, click the plus to make a new Google Doc. It lets you add stuff from your drive too. So you should be able to add it there. So instead of clicking the Google Doc where it makes a new Google Doc, it'll say add from drive, and then find your story map, find your Google Doc that goes with it, and turn it in. And I'll give you feedback that you can use tomorrow in writing. Math, continue the playlist for 20 minutes. Greenbox for 20 minutes. I will be checking sometime today on the links for those forms, so I might give you some feedback here on what to do if I feel like maybe you need to do some games for practice, if you're making mistakes or whatever. If you get to one of those yellow points where it says stop, or you get to the EduBlog, since we haven't done EduBlogs yet, on a Google Doc, I want you just to write a reflection on how things are going in regards to the scale. Do you feel like you are progressing? Is everything making sense? And when you come back next week, I'll show you how to get on EduBlogs. EduBlogs is just a way for you to blog and reflect on how you are learning. Reading. So, finish the assignment from yesterday. So you have a link with a story to read through. And then you have some writing to do with it. So if you haven't done that, do that. Or, if you've done that, you can redo, or do it if you haven't, the magic glasses. So that was from last week. Magic glasses and yesterday's reading passage are being graded. Anything that is graded, I will let you redo as many times as you want to until I have to do grades, which is next month, so you've got a lot of time. The best grade you can get on it at this point is a 2. If you are okay with your grade, then don't do it. But if you want to get a better grade, go for it. Just understand, this is a pretty neat opportunity for you to get the best grade possible. I can't force you to do it. It's totally up to you. So either finish yesterday's reading assignment or redo the magic glasses. I've graded any that were turned in. If you turned it in late, I haven't, but any that were graded, I've written feedback and given you comments. If you've done both of those, then you can read yourself for 20 minutes. Social Studies Science. Complete the slides from yesterday. Do any writing on a Google Doc if you can't on the slide. And please make sure that you turn that in where you find that Social Studies assignment. It's not letting me click right now, but where I posted that, that's where you would turn in that Google Doc. There it goes. So all you'd have to do is right here where it says Social Studies and Science. Some people have trouble writing on that Google slide, so you can just turn in your Google Doc here. This is where you can make a new one to go with it. Have a great day. Please message me if I can help you in any way, and I will see you.